Kangaroos can't walk backward ever. Their tails and legs block motion. They hop to move long distances. Joeys grow inside special pouches. They stay close to their mothers. Elephants can smell water from far. They can detect it 20 kilometers away. Their trunks are powerful sensors. This helps them find water in drought. Herds follow the leader to drink. Camels store fat, not water. The fat is in their humps. They convert fat to energy later. They can go long without food. This helps in hot, dry places. Zebras have unique stripe patterns. No two zebras look the same. Stripes may confuse biting insects. They help with herd recognition. Their stripes act like fingerprints. Turtles use Earth's magnetic field. It helps them return to beaches. Babies remember where they were born. They swim far in open oceans. Some live for over 100 years. Stingrays flap like birds underwater. They glide with wide, graceful wings. They hide under the sandy floor. A stinger helps protect from danger. Most are gentle and curious.
Andes are the longest mountain range. They stretch along South America's edge. Over 4,000 miles of rising land. Home to volcanoes and high plains. A massive wall along the continent. The Amazon River is huge and wide. It carries more water than any river. Some places are over 10 kilometers across. Floods create a floating forest. It flows through dense tropical land. The Dead Sea is very salty and dense. You can float without swimming at all. It's one of the lowest places on Earth. Salt crystals grow on the shore rocks. No fish can survive in the water. Stars twinkle due to Earth's air. Light bends as it travels through layers. High stars twinkle more than low ones. Planets twinkle less due to size. Still air makes stars shine more steady. Clouds can weigh tons of water. An average cloud holds 500 tons. That's as much as many airplanes. Yet they float with gentle ease. Balance of force keeps them aloft. Some trees communicate by roots. They share nutrients and signals. Fungi link them in vast webs. Forests act as single organisms. Nature builds quiet cooperation systems.
Cats avoid water for good reason. Wet fur loses insulation quickly. They feel heavy and less agile. Also, they dislike temperature drops. Dry fur keeps them protected. Cats can feel earthquakes early. They sense small ground vibrations. Many react before humans notice. Their paws feel subtle changes. Nature gives them silent alerts. Cats can hear electrical humming. Devices emit high-pitched sounds. We can't hear these tones. Cats react to it with curiosity. Sometimes they avoid the noise. Cats have a strong homing instinct. Some find their way over miles. Their sense of direction is sharp. Memory and smell help guide them. It's not fully understood yet. Cats use their paws to test heat. They touch things before sitting. It's how they judge comfort levels. They're careful about where they rest. Their feet do more than walk. Some cats like to sleep in sinks. The shape feels cool and secure. It fits their body perfectly well. Ceramic stays cool during hot days. It's a cozy, quiet hiding spot.